Hey everyone, welcome back. If your streaming keeps buffering, dropping quality, or freezing on your PC or smart apps, yeah, that's usually a network issue. In this full guide, I'll show you how to optimize your network for smooth streaming in 2026. First, restart your router and your device. This clears temporary network issues and often improves streaming stability instantly. Next, use an Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi if you can. It gives you more stable bandwidth, which is super important for streaming. Now, close background apps. Downloads, cloud sync, or updates can steal bandwidth and cause buffering. If your internet is unstable, temporarily reduce streaming quality from 4K to 1080p or 720p. This helps prevent buffering while you optimize your network. Next, switch your DNS to a faster option like Google DNS or Cloudflare. It can improve connection response time and reduce loading delays. If you're on Wi-Fi, switch between 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. 5 GHz is usually better for streaming if you're close to the router. Place your router in a central, open area. Walls and obstacles can weaken signal strength and cause buffering. If you're using a VPN or proxy, turn it off for streaming. These can slow down routing and increase buffering. Make sure your network drivers are updated. Outdated drivers can reduce performance and stability. Finally, check your internet speed. If your plan is too slow for HD or 4K streaming, upgrading might be necessary, and that's it. Follow these steps and your streaming experience should be much smoother with less buffering and better quality stability.